Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and stopping by, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be showing you the Craftsman V20 catalog number CMCD 700. This is a drill driver. It has a 2AH battery, half-inch chuck, 13 millimeters, type 2, 20 volt max capacity, NC 0 to 400, 1500 RPM, 32 spot clutch. The 2AH battery has to be fully charged. You should also read the owner's manual before your first use. Has LED light, ergonomic design throughout, and has the Craftsman hole saw 1 3/4, 3/8 shank, 1800 RPM max for wood and mild steel. Packaging looks great. As you can see, the packaging we're going to show you in one moment. The packaging is a Craftsman. They did really nice on the red and white, which is their colors. You can see all the information on the inside and on the sides. It's really designed well to hold the hole saw in place, as you can see. So now we're going to talk a little bit about the drill driver itself. The drill driver itself is very stylish in that it's got the red, the black, and the white. As you guys can see right here, you have vents. All around you have the ergonomic design of having all the grip all around. As you can see, you also have the gray on the forward and reverse and lock. You guys have the gray trigger to stand out. You guys also have this stylish compact battery, which is says Craftsman right all over it. You have the V20 design, the 2AH lithium ion battery. Writing. You also have the latch for the battery, as well as all the grip throughout. As you can see, they brought it all the way down to where the battery holster is intact. Now on the side over here, you guys have your belt clip input. Also on top over here, you guys have your vents throughout over here. Back here, you have a lot of vent and a lot of grip, so if the tool falls, you guys have some protection. As well as down here, you guys are going to see your battery indicator, which I think is very important while you guys are working on the job site. I really like that it's on the back of the tool as opposed to on the front of the tool. They did a great job over there. So that you can check the battery life while you're still working just by stopping the tool and hitting the indicator. So now we're going to take a look at the back, at the bottom of the battery. As you guys can see, it's got the CMC 8202, and it's got the Type 1 battery, which is a 2.0 AH, as is written over here. You guys always want to take a look at the SKU, which is right here. It's kind of hard to read, but if you guys really go into the SKU, you guys are going to be able to read it. So now we're going to take a look at the front of the tool. The front of the tool has the nice design. Now if my assistant hits the trigger, you guys are going to see the halogen light, and you guys are also going to see the work area as well. The chuck over here is plastic. I wish that it was a little bit had some aluminum or some metal. But as you go through to the front, you guys are going to see that the nose actually has some steel in it. Now, as we've talked about the hole saw, if my assistant hits the trigger a little bit, you guys are going to see that you guys have the name all over it. You guys can see the Craftsman. If my assistant will now turn it around, you guys are going to see the Craftsman name right on it, stamped right on it. They wanted to have their name, as you can see. It's white, so it blends in a little bit, but you can see it right there. Now, what these holes are over here, these indented holes, where after you do the hole, you can take the cork out, as they call it, the cork or the excess. Now you guys see the front over here. The cutting head is really nice, but we will be testing that out. As you can see, it's very sharp on its first initial use. Now you guys see the drill indicator start off, which is right here. You guys want to make sure that everything is all tight. As you can see right here, everything's tight. If we do look at the side of the drill now, you guys are also going to see that it's tightly locked in. And you also want to make sure that you guys are on speed 1, as you can see right there. As I wanted to show you guys as well, you have all the information throughout the drill itself. You see the safety and so on and so forth over here as you can go down. Now I did want to show you something on the front of the drill itself. You guys can see the 4 screws over here. As you can see, they mimic the cobalt and also the Dewalt. So now we're going to go over to our jaw horse. And we're going to take a little bit of a look at the jaw horse. This is a Rockwell jaw horse. You guys have your jaw, and you guys have the rubber jaws in here as well to hold the workpiece that we're going to be working on. And throughout, this clamp is really useful for the job site. So we're also going to see this drill in action right now. We're just going to settle it down, make sure that it's intact, and we're going to give it a whirl. And we saw that thing in action. You do have the cork inside, but you do have the knockout on the side. You guys are also going to be able to see the how it cut through easily. Now you guys do want to file it down a little bit with either sandpaper or your palm sander, your sander or your detail sander, as opposed to also your orbital sander. So I think it did a great job that you guys have to take a look at. And I hope that you guys have a great day and this solved your project and it was beneficial to your viewing. So I hope you like and subscribe and have a great day.